Hello! In this video, we'll walk you through basic setup of feedback solution in UseResponse. Let's navigate to administration area to get started. With UseResponse, you can gather different types of feedback like ideas, problems, and questions. If you want to capture only user ideas, in System General, just deactivate other feedback types. The main platform where customers share their ideas and vote for existing suggestions is Community Portal. So first of all, you need to configure Community Portal settings. Here you can enable Smart Moderation feature that allow your agents to review every incoming idea or comment first before it becomes public. You can also make your community private, if you want to build a forum for internal team, for example. In private community, only users with registered accounts would have access to it. You can also change a forum language for your community. But if you need to collect feedback separately in different regions, create additional forums. Multiple forums can also be helpful if you want to build dedicated portals for each of your product or brand. One more efficient way to collect customer feedback is to integrate feedback form using widgets. In Widget Support Center, customize widget interface, grab widget code generated by the system, and paste it on any page of your website or application, so your customers would be able to complete feedback form without leaving your own website. Let's move on to basic feedback settings in System, Feedback. Here you can allow submitting new ideas anonymously without authentication. Also, you may want to accept anonymous votes if you don't want users to register in the system. You can also define whether to subscribe users automatically if they leave a vote for a topic. Let's go to email settings. UseResponse provides default outgoing mailbox to send notifications from the system. But if you want to use your own email address to post replies in ideas, you can add it here. Now let's review how to build feedback form to collect user ideas. In Categories section, you can add categories into feedback form based on your business specifics. It could be products, application settings, etc. End user would fill in the category his idea relates to. But if you want to gather more information from users when they submit feedback, go to Fields and Properties, Topics, and create new additional fields. There are 4 types of fields: text, date format, drop-down list, and checkbox for multiple choices. Fields can be private. It means they can be visible only for agents in the team. You can also make a required field and force user to fill in it to finish submitting the form. If you have custom fields with drop-down options, you can also build dependent feedback form with conditional logic. When user submitted a new idea or problem, you should help him to track its progress. It could be achieved with statuses. UseResponse provides default topic statuses, but you can create additional statuses for your own workflow. In case default statuses fit your needs, you can also rename them in Languages section. In fact, you can rename any wording in the system. Just enter the keyword and rename the expression in the way you need. UseResponse gives the ability not only to rename system expressions, but also change basic appearance of your community portal. In Interface, Identity, you can upload all your company logos that will be used in different areas of your system. In Forums header, email templates on a separate login page. Once you upload company logos, we recommend to build the main page of your community using home screen widgets and top navigation tabs. UseResponse offers extended features in customizing the appearance of community interface with the help of custom theme to match your company website. There are several advanced settings I'd like to focus on. In automation and notifications, you can create triggers to perform automatic assignments, subscriptions, setting a new status, etc., based on specific conditions. For instance, according to this rule, completed topics will be archived after a certain period of time. In Login Plus settings, you can specify additional ways customers may enter your community. You can use login form of your own website or application to authenticate users. With UseResponse, you can also identify if customers are satisfied how you implemented the idea or resolved the problem. Enable the feature to allow users complete satisfaction survey. When basic system configuration is done, let's review how to manage all incoming feedback. On Reports page, you'll see a table list of ideas submitted by your community members. You can modify inbox with certain conditions, grouping parameters, sorting parameters. Or you can create your own custom report and use it on a permanent basis. Switch to Kanban view to get the complete view of all suggestions. In interface settings, you can configure default report view that is more preferable for your process. In table list, you can perform multiple actions with several topics at a time. Just choose the topics to modify and perform required actions. For example, set new status or assign new tag. All these actions can be done individually on full topic page, at the right side and under options. On the full topic page, you can add public comments and all subscribers will be notified on your reply. Along with public comments, you can interact with support agents by leaving internal notes for them. Finally, we recommend to share several ideas on your behalf. This way, you'll inspire users to share their thoughts and vote for other ideas. Thank you for your attention.